Our mission at Sophos Support is to assist our customers and partners by resolving their problems related to product installation, administration, and operation, helping them maintain a stable and secure environment. We understand that everyone has their own preferred method for finding and learning new information, so we provide several platforms and tools to best suit your needs, including the Sophos Support Portal, Sophos Community, Product Documentation and Knowledge Base, TechVids, and Sophos Assistant. Let's take a quick look at each one. The Sophos Support Portal is your starting point when looking for resources. Our homepage displays important notices in the form of banners, as well as the current Sophos status, which reflects the state of all our systems and services, including notifications about outages and maintenance. You can also subscribe to receive notifications via email or SMS. Back in the Support Portal, there's a list of featured resources available, and quick links for frequently visited resources. Our state-of-the-art support search engine lies at the heart of the portal. Oftentimes, you may not be the first person to raise a specific question, and the answer is already available from content in our support resources. When you search, it pulls the most relevant content from all areas of support, including documentation, the community, knowledge base articles, and TechVids. For a full walkthrough of the support portal, refer to the TechVids linked in the description. There are versions for both customers and partners. Next up is the Sophos Community, a place where Sophos customers and partners can connect and engage. Here, you can find the latest information on all things Sophos. Subscribe to blogs, participate in discussions, and interact with other members, our community team, and other Sophos experts. The platform is actively monitored to provide timely assistance. Our team might direct you to any number of helpful resources, including a recommended read, resolved discussion thread, a relevant TechVid or other video, or product documentation. They may even engage other Sophos experts to help. Speaking of documentation, this facet of support includes all product documentation and knowledge base articles, also known as KBs. After you search for a topic in the support portal, these resources can be filtered with the documentation and articles tabs, respectively. The team behind the scenes creates online help, release notes, and upgrade information, KBs, and other resources to enable you to set up and use our products effectively. In some cases, you may also find a TechVid embedded into the page that helps illustrate a concept or configuration. Then there's TechVids, the home for Sophos technical troubleshooting videos, product demos, and a library of fundamental knowledge for key topics in cybersecurity. All content is created with help from Sophos experts. Here you can find our most recent videos organized by product, or simply search for a topic. You can further filter by product version and other relevant tags. Once you've found the video you're looking for, you can follow the steps provided by our technical experts. The video timeline shows the individual chapters, so you can quickly skip back and forth if needed. Each video description also provides links to relevant documentation that you can refer to for more detail. Last but not least is Sophos Assistant. This is one of the newest features we've added to Sophos Central and Firewall. In either dashboard, you'll see a floating box with the question mark on the screen. Clicking this will open the Assistant. Right away, you can see some recommended resources available to you. The folder icon indicates these are collections, organized compilations of related resources. Use the search bar to look for your topic of interest. Relevant results are displayed within the Assistant panel, so there's no need to leave your dashboard. These will return links to Sophos help pages and interactive on-screen guides, which have been created for a variety of tasks. And finally, if you're unable to resolve your issue using these self-serve resources, you can contact Sophos Global Support. On the support portal, you can start a live chat with a Sophos expert by opening the chat window at the bottom. Or you can raise a support case with a few clicks. Remember, emailing support@sophos.com will not create a case. Be sure to fill out all the required information to ensure your case is handled promptly, including any resources you've referenced, troubleshooting steps you've taken, and any logs you've gathered. Providing high-quality information will allow us to help you in the most efficient and effective manner. As a final note, if you're experiencing a highly severe or mission-critical issue, do not hesitate to reach out to our global support team. Our global support numbers are linked here, so you can quickly reach support in your region. Our dedicated experts are ready to help. So that's just a quick overview of the wealth of support services available to you. We hope this will empower you further and help you resolve issues quickly and easily. Links to all relevant services can be found in the video description. Make sure to join the Sophos community at community.sophos.com, where you can view and post questions. And go to techvids.sophos.com for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.